One of the questions that I always see on live feeds or on forums is, how do you sharpen an edge beveler? Well, it's actually very, very simple. Any leather shop needs to have one of these because, first of all, you can make one of these very easily. This is just a simple strop. Smoother on one side, a little rougher on the other side. All you got to do is take one piece of leather, use the flesh side one side, top grain on the other side. So you've got a little bit of a rougher surface to strop and a finer surface to strop. And the way that you sharpen your edge beveler, just like this. As you can see, what I'm doing is I'm taking it and I'm running it essentially backwards on the strop. And you can do this several times between projects or whatever. Flip it over and do the finer side. Crank that out in absolutely no time. Now, to get the little cut, the actual knife edge in the middle, the best thing that I have found for that is bank line, waxed bank line. You can take this, attach it to your table, your bench, whatever, attach it, fix it at one point, pull on it with at the other side, and then just run your edge beveler backwards up the bank line. And that way it'll get into that small little groove. Sometimes, depending upon the size of the edge beveler, this is a number 2. I'd want to use something, I'd actually want to break this line and just use one strand of it instead of using the entire thickness of this bank line. But one section of bank line will allow you to do several different sizes of edge beveler. So what you would do again, you would just attach this to a fixed point and then, in essence, run your edge beveler down it like that. So you'd be able to get into that crease a little bit better. And again, you could be holding that in your hand and you could just be pulling it like so. So there you go, just a quick tip on how to sharpen your edge beveler, strop, bank line. Very simple. Keep all your tools nice and sharp. The sharper they are, the better they're going to work for you, the easier your projects are going to be. Well, I hope this video helped you out or gave you some ideas. If it did, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Follow us on Instagram and see what projects don't make it to video. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video.
If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.